Hello and welcome to Riskier's first video on our True Code Analysis tool. This presentation of True Code consists of a series of 7 videos showing its unique features, abilities, and examples of how to use it in a real case scenario. In our first video, we will show you why True Code is the analysis tool that any software engineer would love to use. Building secure code is a difficult, cumbersome task. There are so many issues that can cause vulnerabilities to a software product and thus make it less secure. To avoid this, an extensive code analysis and evaluation is needed, and traditionally this is done by secure code developers or security analysts. But how easy is it? When we consider that the size of software running on devices is becoming larger, as well as the number of possible vulnerabilities, we understand that manual evaluation is not the only option. For that reason, we have True Code, the first analysis tool for automated code evaluation purely focused on security. This tool is focused on finding security vulnerabilities in source code automatically and enabling collaboration between security experts and the software development team, making the discovery of these vulnerabilities as easy as possible while boosting efficiency on resolving issues. True Code keeps track of code that is developed by assisting security analysts or developers in sharing their findings, solutions, or remarks via annotations that are stored in the database. Each annotation has a unique identifier and contains descriptive information on the impact of a defect, as well as links to other annotations. Annotations are shown to the developers at the exact location in the source code where the issue is found. For the automated checks, True Code can be configured by the security experts on how the checks are tailored to the specific needs of the product. Configuring prerequisites for the automated code checks is easy. True Code offers to its users an option to use a so-called compilation database. In other words, during automated checks, True Code will need to compile the source code. But to do that, it needs all the compilation information. This is easily provided through the compilation database. So long story short, choose your database, configure True Code to make use of it, and you're good to go. The special features of True Code and the details on how to configure the databases and the settings of True Code will be explained in the next videos. But for now, we will show you how to install True Code as a standalone version for Windows and as an Eclipse plugin. We start by double-clicking the Windows installer for the True Code Analysis tool and follow the instructions of the installation procedure. With the installation of the standalone version of True Code finished, we can now launch the program. We will explain the concept behind the settings in the next video on how to configure True Code. Now let's install True Code as a plugin for Eclipse. We have already installed Eclipse, so let's run it first. To install a new plugin, we go to Help, Install New Software, and then we add the zip file of the installation. We insert the path of the file, and in the options, we select Show Only the Latest Versions of Available Software. We have to deselect the Contact All Update Sites during installation checkbox to make installation faster, and the Group Items by Category checkbox to show us the True Code item. Accept the license agreement. Allow the unsigned software to be installed. Then, after the installation finishes, we must restart Eclipse. we can see that 4 TrueCode buttons appeared in the toolbar, and by pressing one of them, the splash screen will pop up. In the next video, we will show you how to configure TrueCode to use it as a collaboration tool, and how to configure the database, user, and general settings.